Hello and welcome to QuickHacks by Tatvic. It's a beautiful winter morning and I'm here today with yet another awesome Google Tag Manager trigger for you guys. It's called the Javascript error, and why this is important for every one of you watching this video is the fact that if you own a website, you have some JavaScripts in it, and if you have JavaScripts, for sure at some point they're gonna break and reflect an error. This trigger, also known as GTM.PageErrorDataLayer event, is enabled when any JavaScript error loads with your page. In this video, we are going to talk about how to set up JavaScript error tracking for your website in Google Analytics using Google Tag Manager. To complement the JavaScript error trigger, it has built-in variables like error message, which will give the value that represents the error description in string format, error URL, which will give the third-party JavaScript file URL or any file URL from which the error is occurred. It also has a built-in variable of error line, which is an integer value that shows which line number has caused this error. Use these variables in your tag configuration. Apply a trigger of type JavaScript error, and that's all. You are all set with your JavaScript error tracking. So there are some precautions that you should be taking while implementing the JavaScript error tracking. In Google Analytics, be sure to create a separate view for recording these errors, and also be sure to exclude it from the master view. The reason behind creating a new view for such a tracking is to avoid it from affecting the actual user behavior. You can restrict the JavaScript error tracking from firing only on specific conditions so that you can record the critical most errors for your website. Set alerts if your error rate reaches to a certain level. This will enable you to minimize the risk in case of any important functionality on your website gets affected via a third-party script. Also, know which third-party scripts are causing these issues. The video that we are showing here is taking you through all the files that are causing these errors and how to fix them. JavaScript error tracking provides a whole new avenue in which we can use data in Google Analytics. This data helps us in identifying the glitches on our website, and the best part is that you can get notifications on emails and even on text messages on your phone based on the custom alerts that you set up. So the faster you act in such cases, lower is the damage caused. This tracking setup helps you to improve your website performance by eliminating the errors that are blocking the important scripts from being executed on your website. Start tracking the errors on your website today and eliminate all the culprits that affect your website performance. Please feel free to leave your comments, your feedbacks and your suggestions for our next video right here in the comment box. In the meanwhile, do check out our previous videos from QuickHacks and also follow us on social media. Thanks for watching. See you next week.